today we'll talk about how can you disable show on incoming message on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, just click on it, and just click here in this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on options, just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on behavior here, just click on it, then you come to next here, come here to show on incoming message, click in this sign here or this color. So that like you see color here, it's gone, that's mean show on incoming message disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.